Everybody has gone to sleep, except for Anna. Shh. What do I get to do today? I'm going to prank Anna. Elsa. Right here is Elsa's bed. Watch this.
That's very good.
Look what I have. All her stuff. Bye-bye. Rise and shine. Good morning. I'm Elsa. Hey, where did my skirt go? Does anybody see my skirt? Do I have a skirt on, anybody? Huh? Do I have a skirt on? I wonder. Hey, where did all my stuff go? It's right by my bed. I wonder who stole mine. Shh, it's night again. I wonder what's going to happen. Ooh, let's see what's going to happen. Watch this. Wait for a second.
Bringing paper, yes, because we don't have any paper at the store. We don't have any paper at the store.
Look what I got. Put them in the crap.
Yes.
Good morning. Do I have a skirt on? Anybody out there? Do I have a skirt on? Do I have a skirt on? Anybody? Do I have a skirt on?
I sat down with Miss Megan.
Okay, I don't have a skirt on. Fine, let's do this. Hey, who took all my stuff? It's right here by my
Oh,
bed.
that was my first day. Down with her. Well, hear me out.
Hi, Elsa. Hi, Anna. Anna, did you steal my stuff? Yes. I'm mad at you. Elsa, did you steal my stuff? The end. So guys, that's the end of the show. Can't wait to see you next time on part 2.